learn all the concept of physics through this class. I have come back near about 2 months as I was not well. I think you know the situation, current situation of the country and the whole world. But now I am okay and I have come back with full energy, right? As the thumbnail suggests, today I am coming here to introduce about class 11th physics. What you have to study in class 11th physics. First of all, okay, when students move from the class 10 to class 11th, what happens? In class 10, you study about science, but in class 11th, you choose science stream. And in science stream, basically, in science stream, there are three main subjects: PCB, physics, chemistry, biology, or PCM, physics, chemistry, maths. So you have to focus more on these three main subjects. It means you studied about science, and then in science there are different branches of science, right? Okay, first, what do you mean by science? What is science? Science, you know, everything around us is about science, right? It is nothing but organized and systematic knowledge about different natural phenomena, and that phenomena is observed by different observations, experiments. So like formation of day and night, it is what? It is a natural phenomena, and there are different basic laws related to this one. So science is nothing but systematic and organized knowledge about various natural phenomena, right? And in class 11th and 12th, if you have chosen science stream, you have to study inside the science. There are different branches. Main branch is this one: physics, chemistry, biology, and physics, chemistry, mathematics. Physics, chemistry, biology is for medical students. PCM is for non-medical, it means engineering students, right? So this science is basically divided into two branches. One is biological science, biological science, and another branch is physical science. Okay, physical science. In biological science, you know, biology, study of behavior of living organisms, right? And in physical science, again it is divided into two branches, that is physics. You study about physics, and then another one is chemistry. Chemistry, you know, structure of any substance, their composition, reactions, all these things you study in chemistry. And then physics. And now you have to study in detail physics. What is physics? Right now, physics is a part of what? Science. It is a branch of science. And in physics, what you study? About nature and different natural phenomena. Different laws of nature related to that natural phenomena, like formation of day and night, right? Planets revolve around the sun. All these are what? Natural phenomena, and there are different laws of nature related to this natural phenomena. Physics is nothing but study of natural world, or you connect physical world. It is related to different natural phenomena or natural phenomena, and different laws of nature related to these different natural phenomena, right? And laws of nature. Example, formation of day and night. This is a natural phenomena, and what is the law related to these natural phenomena? Right now, formation of tides, revolution of these planets around the sun, all these are natural phenomena. So in physics, we studied about these natural phenomena and different laws related to that natural phenomena. Now, what are different branches which comes under physics? Okay, branches. Physics are divided into different branches. Main branches I am going to discuss. Okay. First one is mechanics. mechanics. Second one is thermodynamics. Thermodynamics. Third one is electrodynamics. Electrodynamics. Fourth one is optics. Then next one, which one is there? Quantum mechanics. Quantum mechanics. Okay, so these are different branches of physics, and one more branch, that is relativity. It is not in your syllabus, class 11 12 physics. Relativity. In relativity we studied about those objects whose speed is near about the speed of light. So it is not in your syllabus. Okay, so no need to study about relativity. But all these 5 branches, 1 mechanics, 2 thermodynamics, 3 electrodynamics, fourth one is optic, and fifth one is quantum mechanics. All these are in your syllabus, class 11th and 12th physics. In this one, mechanics and thermodynamics, these two chapters we studied, these two branches studied in class 11th physics. Class 11th physics is basically more than half of the class 11th physics is about mechanics branch. Okay, then this electrodynamics and optics branch is in class 12th physics and also quantum mechanics. What we studied in these branches? In mechanics, we studied about rest and motion of the objects. Okay, like different motions are there, linear, in 1 dimension, 2 dimension, 3 dimension, rotational motion. All these you studied in this mechanics branch. Then thermodynamics, thermo means heat. You studied about heat engine, how heat transfer. All these things comes in these branches. Then electrodynamics. This electrodynamics is of class 12th physics. It comes in class 12th syllabus. Electrodynamics means dynamics with motion. Electro means electric charges, motion of electric charges. You studied a different phenomena related to that one. Then optics, it means, optics means light, reflection, refraction, all ray optics. You were studied in class 12. Then quantum mechanics. Actually, quantum mechanics is also a part of mechanics. Quantum is study of very small objects like atoms, molecules, their motion, that comes under quantum mechanics. It is also in class 12th physics. And this relativity is not in your syllabus. Motion of those objects whose speed is comparable to the speed of light. Now, today's topic is introduction to class 11th physics. What are different chapters which is included in class 11th physics and which comes under mechanics and thermodynamics. Okay, so I will discuss class 11th syllabus one by one. Okay, hope I am trying to give brief discussion about class 11th physics. Okay, yes. So the first chapter in class 11th physics is about physical world. Physical world. What is in this chapter? You have to study about what is physics, what is the scope of physics, what are different branches of physics. We already discussed what is physics, different branches of physics, different this one forces, what are different force, gravitational electricity, all these types of force. I think you know. And then how physics is related to technology, or how technology is related to physics. So from examination point of view, this chapter is not so important, not comes in board exams also, and not important for this medical and IIT GEOs. Okay, so no need to study this chapter. We will start physics from the second chapter, and the second chapter is units and measurements. This chapter is very important if you want to clear all the concepts in physics. This is the main chapter. If your basics are clear, then you can easily solve each and every numericals in physics. So you must have a knowledge about units and their measurement, right? Then third chapter, from here physics started, and this units and measurement is very easy chapter in class 11, most easy chapter from all the chapters in class 11, but the knowledge of this units is must required. Okay, then from third chapter here mechanics started. Chapter is motion in a straight line. Motion in a straight line. Okay, motions in a straight line, in 2 dimension, 3 dimension, all these, and all these are a part of mechanics. From here mechanics starts. In mechanics also different branches are there, and this comes a kinematics branch. Mechanics, kinematics, and dynamics, statics, all these are branches of mechanics. And this motion in a straight line it comes under kinematics. Then next chapter is motion in a plane. Is also a part of mechanics, that is kinematics. Straight line means 1 dimension, how object moves in 1 dimension along x, y, or z axis. In a plane means 2 dimension, right? 3 dimension is not in your syllabus. Then these are a part of mechanics, and mechanics is also, there are 3 parts. Statics, about study of rest of the objects, okay, deals with the rest. This kinematics deals with the motion of the object. So these 2 are a part of kinematics. Kinematics, right? Then 5th one, in kinematics you just studied about motion. But what is the main cause of motion? That comes under dynamics, and that is force. Force is needed to create motion in a body. So next chapter is force and laws of motion, and it is a part of dynamics. Then after this 6th chapter is, if you are applying some force, work is required, power is required, energy is required. So next chapter is work, power, and energy. All these are part of mechanics. Then after this, these are motion in 1, 2, 3 dimension. Then rotational motion comes. And the body is rotating. Rotational motion. This is chapter number 7. Then after this, next chapter is, I think, gravitation. All are part of mechanics. Gravitation. This is part 1, physics. Then after this, next chapter number 9 is about 9th, mechanical properties of solids. Then next one is fluids. In fluids, both liquids and gases come. So next chapter is mechanical properties of solids, right? In this one you have to study about stress, strain, okay, all these laws of stress, Hooke's law. Then next one is mechanical properties of fluids. In fluids, both liquids and gases comes, but basically in these levels we discuss about liquids. Then after this, thermal properties of matter. Thermal properties of matter. Thermal properties of matter means how it is transferred from one place to another place. Different processes are there. Conduction, convection, is all these things is studied in this thermal properties of matter. After this, all are about mechanics branch from chapter this 3 to chapter 11. Now, next branch is thermodynamics. So next chapter is thermodynamics. Thermodynamics is studied about whole gas. Different laws of thermodynamics, how it is transferred, everything is studied in thermodynamics. After this, next chapter is kinetic theory of gases. Kinetic theory of gases. In this one, you have to study about the motion of gas molecules. Motion of gas molecules. In thermodynamics, you study about mole gas, and in this one, motion of that gas molecules, right? This comes in. After this 13th chapter, I think 2 chapters are left. 14th one is oscillation. Oscillation, and last one is waves. These are also a part of mechanics, okay? And these oscillation and wave chapters are very, very important for medical and IITG entrance exams, right? So these 2 chapters are very, very important for class 11. So whole 15 chapters are there. One more thing, what type of videos you want? You want 10 minutes duration short videos, of one topic in detail, or you want one shot of the whole chapter? Please write in the comment box. According to that one, I will make videos for you, and must like and share my videos also. Okay, it all these things motivates me. Okay, and then I will make more videos for you. So these are all about this introduction to class 11 physics. Next, I will start with chapter 2, or before that, mathematical tools is very important to class 11th when you enter from class 10th to 11th. So, most probably I will discuss about mathematical tools. Up to the next 2 days, keep revising and stay tuned with this channel. Thank you.